Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by selecting the model and clear goal. Pick diffusion for photorealism or a GAN for stylized art. Once chosen, set resolution and aspect ratio so outputs match your use case, and load 3 reference images for color, composition, and mood. You must define a seed if you want reproducible results. Then create a concise initial prompt with subject, style, lighting, and mood. Keep it direct so the model has a firm starting point. You now refine by iterating prompts and parameters, alternate adjectives and camera terms to nudge the model toward your vision. Once you see a base image, increase or decrease guidance scale to balance creativity versus accuracy, and tweak sampling steps for detail. Higher steps add clarity, but cost time. Make targeted fixes with in-painting or masks, and combine multiple renders as layers in an editor. You should save versions frequently, so you can compare small changes and pick the best direction. You finish by choosing the strongest render, then perform final color grading, sharpening, and minor touch-ups to remove artifacts. Export both high-res masters and web-optimized copies. Once done, make sure to document the prompt and settings for future reuse. If you run into issues, strange faces, bad hands, or odd textures, try lowering the guidance scale, switching the seed, or simplifying the prompt to reduce contradictions. Finally, back up your project files so you can revisit and iterate later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.